Hi, I'm DJ Crafts, making full functional Iron Man marked a suit made out of cardboard and scraps. Stay tuned to my journey, and if you like my crafts, please subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting! First step, I'm making head from cardboard that make perfect fit to me. Next step, making Iron Man helmet. Try the pattern that I made, it surely fit. And perfectly fit to me. Use paper bag and glue to cover the tape. I made functional Iron Man body that's allowed to move whatever you want. Using hook and loop fastener tape to connect the parts. Connect the body. Using wire to make functional shoulder that's allowed to move freely. Now, I'm making chest of Iron Man. That's my favorite part. making neck of my Iron Man. Install the head. Install the arm. Using tape to build the suit perfectly. The arm is more realistic if I minimize the gap, and all functional to move whatever you want. Install all parts and it looks good. Testing the neck. And then, the shoulder if moved freely. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my next project. I hope you can support me. Please subscribe to my channel. Happy crafting!
Hey there, I'm DJ Crafts, making awesome things out of cardboard and scraps. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome crafting tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting!